Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Bagwindy DIY Auto, and this is another video on my Armada. So my hood support is not doing its job like it should. You see the struts here are weakened and it's not supporting the hood. It's kept falling and it's kind of scary. If I were to work on underneath here, I don't want the hood to fall on my head, so I have to replace these lift supports. I just ordered a pair through Amazon, and today I'm going to replace them. So let's get into it. Okay, so these are the new ones I ordered through Amazon, and the only tool I need is a flat screwdriver to remove the clips. On the old ones, the clips are here on the lower end, and then there's another one up here. All I have to do is to slide this flat end right here, this little gap here, and pop the clips out just like that. And then the lower end, same concept, just like that. Just pop these out just like that. Now this is actually dangerous right here, so I'm going to use a stick just to support the hood, that when I remove the struts it doesn't fall. So see, it's falling right there, so let me get a piece of support here and just stick it down, and just to assist the strut. So now all I have to do is just raise it up like that and just pop these off, just like that. And now I can go ahead and install the new ones I just ordered through Amazon. Okay, so the new ones comes with new clips. All I have to do is to line this guy here up, snap it on, then raise the hood up just a little and snap this one here on, just like that. I can now remove this guy here just for now. And now the hood is supported by this new one. All I have to do is go ahead and replace the left side and should be good to go. Okay guys, so now this side is snapped on. Now I can go to the other side and go ahead and replace it with this new one here. And this side is the same concept, just use a clip, just use a screwdriver and pop the clips out. Pop this clip here out, and this one here, let's go ahead and slide it in here. Just pop this clip here out. Just raise the hood slightly. Take the old ones out. Go ahead and install the new one. Twist it around and line it up just like that, and raise it up and snap it on just like that. Remove all the tools from out of the hood. You can now close it nicely, raise it up, see, support itself Release it. Now the hood is back to its original stage. Okay guys, so let me recap what was going on here. My hood support or hood lifts, they were not supporting the hood. Whenever I raised the hood up, it was falling down. It's kind of scary whenever I'm actually working underneath the hood here. It is very dangerous, could fall on my head. So I went and ordered a pair of lift support through Amazon, and I replaced the old ones. This is one of the pair of the old ones. And let me show you how the operation should be. So when you open your hood, just like this here, you should just raise it up, and the lift support is supposed to push it up and keep it up just like that. That's the normal operation. Now, if you open the hood like that and it kept falling down, that's an indication that your lift supports are weakening and they need replaced. All right, thank you guys for supporting this channel. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.